रही सांसद से प्रतिक्रिया देइछन्ती एवं आरजेडी सांसद कहते जे अनेक थिला ये केवल औपचारिक भाव होउछि किंतु भारतीय जनता पार्टी काउंटर करिछि एवं ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी जो सांविधानिक नियम रही से आधार निर्वाचन होउछि बोली कहा जाउछि। आपण देखिबे प्रतिटी राज्यरू जो नेतृवृंद माने आसीछन्ती से माने एथिरे पार्टिसिपेट करछन्ती अनेक रही किछि प्रतिक्रिया। मैडम जी क्या बोलेंगे, ये कितने बड़ी पर्व है आपके लिए?
ये बहुत बड़ा पर्व है क्योंकि ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी it is a biggest party in the world, you know. So today it is really a very happy moment for us. We are from Andhra Pradesh. We have filed nomination in the favor of Sri Nitin Nabinji because BJP is giving a chance to the youth. A young leader is coming to lead us. We are very happy for that and we are supporting Nitin Nabinji. We have filed 40 members of our National Council members. We have filed 2 nomination sets in the favor of Nitin Nabinji.
आप भी आंध्रा से?
Yes, I'm from Andhra. I'm Nishida Raju, State President, Mahila Morcha from Andhra Pradesh. So today here, I think we have seen just now we have just completed throughout India Lori, Sankranti and in Tamil Nadu Pongal. So here in BJP office, I mean, are you not seeing the festive season here? Because we are going to have the youngest national president. So after 46 years, a 46-year-old Nitin Nabinji is being elected, which is really an example for other parties also. So here it doesn't matter who it is, but here in organizational as Bharatiya Janata Party, you know, we go along with whatever the party says, party with a difference.
एक बड़ी स्ट्रैटेजी है क्या पार्टी को यूथ को कनेक्ट करने के लिए? जेनजी एक मसला है हर स्टेट में, हर कंट्री में, तो वो कनेक्ट करने के लिए एक स्ट्रैटेजी है, बड़ी स्ट्रैटेजी।
It is not like that. See, you know, regarding Modi ji का ये विकसित भारत, सबका साथ सबका विकास सबका प्रयास. So it is in the line of that because in Bharatiya Janata Party everyone will have equal opportunity and especially youth.
No one expect Nitin Nabin is the president of a party.
That is the beauty of Bharatiya Janata Party. Since Bharatiya Janata Party is a party with difference, it gives a common man, it makes a common man the uncommon man. So here Nitin Nabinji is like that. We have expected so many people that these people will become, this people will become. But now a Samanya Karyakarta of 46 years of age from that state like Bihar, now becoming national president of Bharatiya Janata Party is not a joke. It is the real commitment of Bharatiya Janata Party towards the Karyakartas and the youth.
थैंक यू मैडम जी। और भी लोग हैं उनका भी रिएक्शन लेते हैं। आप अभी आंध्रा से आए?
Yeah, my name is Yamini Sharma. I'm Andhra Pradesh Pranta Pravakta, spokesperson. So this is a historic day for every Karyakarta of Bharatiya Janata Party across the country because in Bharatiya Janata Party, if you see, we follow the Antyodaya and Ekatma Manavata ideology. So that means that, like, you know, we respect and it is our responsibility to make sure that every single person is developed in this country. And the same way in the party also, Bharatiya Janata Party also, the party gives utmost importance for the youth and especially the women. That was the reason, like, you know, a long 3-decade pending 33% women reservation is a reality now. And we being the women politicians and the young politicians across the country, especially from Andhra, we feel it's an honor to be a part of this national president election today. We are the National Council members and a delegation of 20 members from Andhra Pradesh. We have reached here. So Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister of Narendra Modi ji has set a goal of Viksit Bharat 2047 and Narendra Modi ji might be like 75 years old.
बहुत सारे challenges है मैम
अभी, like, you know, in age in age, and he might be above 70, but in energy and for making Viksit Bharat 2047, he is working 24/7, and by heart and in his thoughts, he is no less than like a 16-year-old boy. So that is the reason he always talks about the youth, pariksha pe charcha, and then chai pe charcha, and he interacts with the students. And I don't see any other national leader in the world can actually connect with youth, especially. So in this globalization and in this digital era, in this technological era, only one leader, that is Narendra Modi ji, who can connect. And the second, we are very proud to say this, that now the Nitin Nabin ji, who is another young dynamic leader, is the new president, national president for us. And under his leadership, I am very sure that not only the youth, young politicians, but also the women politicians will achieve their goal. And our entire goal together is like making Bharat as Viksit Bharat.
ଆପଣ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ କମଳାକାନ୍ତ जो आंध्र रू आସୁଛନ୍ତି जो माने महिला मोर्चा बा स्पोक्स पर्सन एवं किसी नारी नेत्री थिले जो माने प्रतिक्रिया दउथुले निश्चित आप अपन देखबे प्रतिटी स्टेट जो जेमती अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर रे से माने निज निजर सेट दाखल करछंती समर्थन पत्र एवं प्रस्तावक पत्र एवं तापरे से माने रिलीज होछंती।
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।